think you will agree that before you started your business, or just when you start a relationship, you have huge motivation. You are willing to move, to work, you close people, you convince people. Nothing can stop you. And things look amazing. And then you start a relationship, or then you start the business, and you start to encounter problems with money, problems with customers, problems with opinions, problems with the product, problems with delivery, problems. And the more problems you encounter, the less motivated you are. And you get to a point that you start to think, well, maybe I should work for someone at my profession, because I will make more money if I will work for someone in my profession than in that business that I don't make money in, and it's really killing me. Well, there is a handling. The handling is to learn how to run a business, to learn how to create a relationship, which, by the way, is basically the same. If you can create good relationships, you will create good businesses. The technology is very similar, very little differences, very specific little differences. But if you learn how to run a business, you will learn how to have a good relationship. And if you will learn how to run relationships, you will learn how to run a business. Now, how do you do that? How do you learn? Because learning, knowledge, bring about income. You will have as much income as you will have, I would say, applicable knowledge, or knowledge that you actually apply, applied knowledge. So how do you do that? You come to the business class. It's a weekly 3 hours class that will teach you how to exactly handle your business, how to exactly build relationships, how to exactly print money. So if you're sick and tired of being a failure, if you're sick and tired of not having money, if you are done with struggling, this is the course for you. It is 50 lessons, 50 weeks, 50 lessons. Each lesson is 3 hours, and by the end of it, you will know. You will not just think that you know. You will know how to build, maintain, expand, and correct any business, any relationship. It is powerful, it is workable, and the proof is obviously in the pudding. The proof is in how much money you will make every single week. After every lesson, you will make more money. And that's my guarantee to you. See you there. Bye-bye.